You connect or not?
Over here, I heard live streaming is on.
Yeah, but we also check the signal if it's good or not. Yeah, we are on the live stream. Yeah, let's start the live stream. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Nice to see you all again. Today is Sunday, 20th of August. Yeah, good to have you with us. So the market is not is seeing some very red color.
Yeah, it's not to work well. We see the market is turned back, and then based on some of the other news, some of the article, and we will discuss lately. Yeah. Today, I, Richard, and Mr. Nicholas, we will share the information as usual as every Sunday. Yeah. Now, let's start.
Right.
Mr. Nicholas, how you think about uh, the when the market is down and what is the reason? I hear you have some of the caution news, some of the could
Yeah,
you?
you go to the one with the screenshot. No, not the screenshot. This one is off the thing. Okay, one caution for all of you traders out there is that lately there is some scam tokens detected. Some actually there are a lot, more than 500 scam tokens that are being detected on Coinbase. So and of course about the scammers they pocketed about $2 million. So about 300 of these scam tokens allow their creators to mint unlimited number of coins. So of course
Oh,
this is the Coinbase user they were not aware. Yeah. So I think if you do some research and go on exchange to get some token or invest in some token, right? So if you see that these people, or if you find that these people are able to mint unlimited number of coins, then this is the first red flag. So of course, like the articles mentioned, what we always say, we encourage consumers, investors to do their research diligently before participating in any investment product. Yeah. So of course, this is not just limited or unique to Coinbase. Any other blockchain, public blockchain, you need to be careful at the same time as well. So you exercise your due diligence everywhere you go on the blockchain. Yeah.
yeah. Thank you, Mr. Nicholas. And I hear a lot of issue when the unlimited token they may mint, they may make the new coin, create the new coin unlimited. Yeah, it's make the market will crash like this. But some of the other blockchains like Ethereum, they also have the total amount is unlimited. But if they mint the token, they need some amount of the validator to
Yes.
create a new coin. Yeah, that is that means the the total amount is the same, but the way to create the new coin is different. Yeah, that is the thing we need to tell to our audience to know more about this. Yeah, let's see how about I also can see the rainbow charts
Yeah.
and
Okay. That rainbow chart is I just picked it about 5 minutes ago.
yeah,
So slightly still similar as the last week. Of course, you see that the price has gone down for BTC. In the rainbow chart, it seems like it's a small movement there, but in the Bitcoin price chart, you see, wow, it's actually a big dip from like what uh, 28 to 29,000, 30,000, all the way to 26,000. There's 4,000 margin. So if you look at this rainbow chart again, it seems like okay, the blue region, if the chart is going to move down to the blue region will be 20,000. So whether it will really reach to 20,000, let's hope not. Let's hope that it will be able to stay afloat and bounce back up again. But if it has to, it probably reach the lowest at 20,000. That's what that's probably the lowest according to this rainbow chart here.
So it may hit the lowest, and some of the analysts also share to us about the price could be hit around 21,000, right? The Bitcoin. And after that, we go to have a look on that's a question: will the BTC price recover before the September 1st, 2023, and what the next for Bitcoin? And later we will see more detail about this in this article. And I also want to share to you about the Ethereum well avoid market crash. Do they know something and they don't? Yeah. Let me open the open the article to let the audience see more about this. Yeah, they don't know because before the market crash, we see the Ethereum well sell 41 million before the market crash, and
So they're basically done.
yeah, and then in the early hour August, the SpaceX selling 373 million Bitcoin holding, and we also see the market cap drop 1.1 trillion, and the more here. Yeah, that's some of the information about. We can read more on the news BTC. Yeah, on new BTC.
There are also information on the what you call that, the options and
Market
futures
option.
contracts that have been liquidated and expired worthless. So
That's
so
right.
what happens in options and future contract, or especially options contracts, is that they have a certain time limit before they expire worthless. So within this time limit or this period, if the price is right, of course the investor will earn some money. They quickly sell the options. For futures contract, they have by the end of a certain date, they'll just finished. You make money from there after the contract end at the end date, the price is not what you want, then you lose the money. So the liquidation events actually suggest that the whole, I think there are a lot of block or rather Bitcoin contracts or Bitcoin futures involved as well. That is also part of the reason why the price of BTC has taken a dip of such a big dip this time around.
But when I see in the information you shared to us about the future option expiry relation calendar on August is
Not everything is
after
fixed
25th.
date, or rather, not everything is on the same date. Some may be slightly earlier. If you click into the list, different. Okay, this chart is all about different currencies besides just Bitcoin and Ether Micro. So the whole idea is that it's very much like you look into the whole list. Different currency have different expiry date. Perhaps in other exchange or other Bitcoin related options and futures, their expiration date perhaps is similar or slightly earlier. So in any way, you can even decided not to go through with the contracts if you are expecting the price, you are foreseeing the price to close even lower than today.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Next one, I see you have some information about.
Okay, this is just brief information
Yeah.
on besides those market being down, Bitcoin being down, Ethereum being down. You see
Yeah.
that there are still some activities in the blockchain in terms of funding, funding for companies, or rather, these
Yeah.
companies are raising funds for their projects for their company. So
Yeah.
this guy, ex Meta engineer, his layer one blockchain line line era,
Yeah.
yeah. So it
Like.
raises in new funding. Yeah, 6 million in new
Oh.
funding. Actually, not a small sum. It's actually quite a big sum. Yeah. So
Yeah.
then on the second line, you say this Lore, they have a
Yeah.
2.3 million funding, funding the fund that comes in to
Yeah.
help the platform, help the company. Then you have
Oh.
this big goal. Oh, they have
Big
a hundred.
Rocio.
They raised $100 million in Series C funding, which
Yeah.
means some investors look at BitGo and say, "Hey, I think this BitGo have some potential. I want to invest in this BitGo. So let's invest 100 million in this BitGo. Hopefully, in 2-3 years time,
Yeah.
um, yeah, so most of them they will try to exit within 3 years. The long term one they will probably hold even much longer. But within 2-3 years, if the company do well, and they will be able to raise even more money, and they can exit and sell the company for a higher price. Yeah, so that's exactly how uh, big guys like Elon Musk has been doing. They are buying up companies, small companies, big companies, whichever. Any company that they think they can make money, they buy. For people like Elon Musk, they may want to do it long term, very much long term. That is why, and sometimes it involves very strategic move of supporting their whole other investments as well. Very much
Yeah.
like how he bought Twitter for
Yeah.
how much did he bought for? Billion? I don't know. Yeah.
I
Uh,
forgot.
yeah. So anyway, he bought Twitter. So he's using Twitter to now like trying to uh, I don't know. There's some beef between him, according to what I see online. The last 2 weeks, there was some beef between him and Mark Zuckerberg. So I don't know.
And here they are going to fight to fighting at the gladiator in Rome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Elon Musk having Twitter is one of the ways where he can control free speech, so to speak. Yeah, so he'll
Yeah.
be able to deliver a lot of very updated news at a very fast pace for his other programs like Tesla or SpaceX. Yeah, so these are some of the things that can help the investors' main business to run and even faster. Yeah, so
Yeah,
it's
that's right.
almost like a turbo engine kind of thing, Yeah,
Because I hear last time some of the news articles say that the SpaceX and Tesla is one of the company they don't do advertisement like
yeah,
normal
yeah.
like on the TV. He
Yeah,
the
you
CEO
don't
take to
see
the
them.
fix.
Yeah, you don't
Yeah,
see them paying a lot of money to make a 30-second video and put it on TV.
yeah, that's
TV
right.
is like irrelevant these days. Everyone
Yeah,
goes in YouTube, Twitter, social media to look at.
yeah.
They don't just look at their friends, what their friends do. They look at advertisements as well.
Yeah, because now they I see people they changing the way do advertisement not on the TV anymore. Yeah.
Yeah,
Also, it's a way people running the business trying some social network. That's why that's the
yeah,
thing. Some the marketing CEO and some of the marketing analysts they may change to adapt with this situation. And
yeah,
I also want to share about in the beginning, we also talk about the SpaceX Bitcoin holding the sale of some of the crypto and Everland bankruptcy. Everland, this means Everland in US, Everland based in China, but the branch in US have filed the bankruptcy. The question is why? What's happening in make the network make the crypto market going down, and let's see how's about the link and what they say about this. um, when I see the article uh, here, the spread double warming event collapse add to uncertainty. The timing of the space Bitcoin coincided with other seismic event in the financial world. Yeah. And China Airline Group, yeah, they declared the bankruptcy in New York. Then they moved the past 2 years because we hear last 2 years we hear the airline in China have some issue with their customer and they may lost a lot of things um, to avoid the bankruptcy in China, and the bankruptcy the bankruptcy in U.S. have been added. Yeah, it's also make the market go care and people worry about this. That's if some information about what's happening with the world, and this may be some of the reason why explain why the market is going down a little bit. And the question for today is, will the price recover before the September 1st, 2022, 2023? What's next? And the question tell us why is September 1st? Yeah, um, uh, Mr.
Maybe
Nick,
perhaps September 1st is the beginning of a lot of other uh, contracts, traded funds,
yeah,
whatever, options contracts and things like that. Yeah. So at the close of one contract, at the next contract, perhaps people, or rather investors, will be more optimistic, and perhaps that's why they make that kind of estimation.
yeah.
Yeah.
That is also one of the reason. And the next reason is because we may hear about the spot ETF need to be approved, a
Yeah.
spot ETF application, and from the September 1st to September 6th, the U.S. SEC expected to deliver an update or decision regarding the various spot ETF application like BlackRock and Wisdom Tree. Uh, then after they decide this, they update information about this. The price of Bitcoin may change because they may delay to approve or they approve immediately. So it's changed a lot in the market. It may make investor feel excited and the market go up, or it may make the investor feel want to get rid of the market and the market going down if the SEC reject it. But in my own opinion, I see the SEC may delay until the next round because they can delay until January
Yeah.
2024. Yeah,
The thing is
the
that SEC love to do these delaying things.
Yeah, that's right. They delay to submit the homework. It's the same like last time Mr. Nicholas
Yeah.
shared to us.
It,
Yeah,
it, it has been a few rounds where they delay quite a number of applications, things like that. So,
yeah,
well, this time around, we I don't think we can hope that they are going to do it fast.
yeah. Because the U.S. government also delayed to lay up the ceiling of the debt ceiling. debt ceiling. You remember? Yeah,
Yeah,
it's still
that's
delaying. It means that after the president election in US happened, so we will see the new space opening. The new space of the book is open. So we hope, and in the new space, all the issue delay will be solved. Yeah, so we hope that, and then now we just enjoy with the gaming, delaying and chill out, like so many people usually say, oh, just chill out and relaxing. The market is scale, it may recover. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Let's just have coffee.
yeah. Let's have a coffee and sip a cup of coffee. And then I also think it's a time for us to complete our live stream this morning. Thanks for your watching and see you in our next live stream. Mr. Nicholas.
All right, see you in our next live stream. Remember what we covered in the early part of our live stream about cautions, about due diligence. Let's hope that you make some good decision and check up on the information on the coin that you have been investing in. And we hope you make some money. We'll see you again in our next stream.